I wanted to film a quick video on my room, or more specifically my room makeover process. I redecorated my room a while back and I actually really like the end result. It's bright and airy and minimal with some boho or eclectic elements here and there. It was overall really easy to achieve and super cost effective as well. So if you want to see how it all came together and where I got these specific furniture items from, just keep watching. Okay, now onto the specifics of what's actually in here. First off is the bed. I bought a white duvet for it, which is, I guess, kind of risky, but it's fine. I just made a rule for myself to never have tea or coffee in there ever. I'm actually sitting here with some tea as we speak, so that rule has obviously not worked. Anyways, these are linen duvet covers, and I bought them off Etsy. My bed frame I actually really like. My sister has the same one. I saw it in her room and I thought it looked really cool, very sleek and industrial. I bought it on Amazon. I've included a link to it and basically everything else in the description bar below. So this rug is a 100% wool Turkish kilim rug that I was able to find on eBay. Overall, I love the colors on it and I think it ties the room together really well. This large woven storage box that I use as a side table I got at a flea market close by, and it only cost me $5. This my sister also got at the flea market, and I just keep random extra items in there. The table itself I keep camera stuff, chargers, and other things I don't reach for super often. I tend to buy a lot of things at the flea market, so if anyone's interested on how to find some really nice items at one for really cheap, just let me know. I really like the look of a basic black shelf with gold hardware, and I was able to find this really cool mix and match shelf and hardware set at a World Market. So I will link that down below for anyone else who kind of likes that look. The photo or painting I stole from my parents. The curtains are just basic white ones, and they're actually really terrible at keeping light out of the room. But what makes the setup is the curtain rods. They look really nice and they're nearly identical to ones that I saw in West Elm and Crate and Barrel, but I got them online for literally 1/5 the price. And now this desk was the one item that I decided to splurge on. It's a mid-century mini desk from West Elm. I'm actually really glad I did because it's really good quality, it looks really nice. I use it nearly every day for work. I also do my makeup there sometimes. because all my makeup is in there. This chair I got from Amazon, and I think it matches the desk really well. And that is my jewelry box. It's just clear, so I remember to wear it every day, basically. I also have a small mirror and this floor lamp I got from Target. To the right of the desk, I have this lidded woven basket that I found at Marshall's, and I'm really happy I found it because it's really easy and convenient to just dump things in. I dump all my prayer stuff in there, and yeah. Lastly is a Nistel floor length mirror from IKEA. I am so sure I pronounced that incorrectly, but I actually spent a really long time looking for mirrors, and this one was really affordable and ended up looking really nice, so thank you IKEA for that. And I guess that's the end of the video. Hope everyone found this helpful, and thanks everyone for watching.